Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist with 6 years of field experience as an appliance repair technician, and this is what to check before calling a tech when your washing machine is not draining. Check the drain pump filter if your washing machine has one and remove any debris or blockages. Some models may not have a drain pump filter, and some may have a filter only accessible by an appliance repair technician. So it's important to refer to your washer's user manual for further information. If the drain pump filter is okay, check the drain hose for proper installation. Refer to the installation instructions for your specific model of washer, which can usually be found on the manufacturer's website. If the drain hose is installed properly, try running a drain and spin or drain only cycle, just in case the cycle may have shut down prematurely due to excessive shaking or excessive bubbles. If the issue is intermittent, run a washing machine cleaner through the machine. Detergent buildup can create suds that may occasionally prevent the washing machine from draining correctly. If the washing machine is still not draining after trying all of that, that's when it's time to call an appliance repair tech. The complete What to Check Before Calling a Tech washing machine troubleshooting guide, along with troubleshooting guides for dryers, refrigerators, dishwashers, microwaves, and ranges, will be available at my Blink in Lio beginning January 31st, 2025.